Welcome to Hülya's Turkish Kitchen. Not so much a Turkish dish today, but one that is enjoyed by most people, including my family. Delicious roast leg of lamb with accompanying tray of roasted vegetables. This recipe serves a family of about 6. Here's what you'll need. All the details are also in the description. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to my channel for new recipes posted weekly. Let's get started. To prepare the lamb, score across both sides in a diagonal way, creating diamond shapes. This is to help the seasoning be absorbed. Insert 10 to 12 small garlic cloves into the created grooves. If using larger cloves, slice them accordingly. Insert the garlic on both sides of the lamb. Use a wire rack to place the lamb on. This way it will cook better and will release its juices into the tray, which we will use later for the gravy. Drizzle on approximately 40 ml of olive oil. Cover both sides evenly. Use your hands to distribute the oil. Next, add the seasoning. Rub on 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon each of cumin, paprika, cayenne pepper and salt. Also, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Again, make sure to cover both sides of the lamb. Transfer the lamb to a preheated oven uncovered at gas mark 6 or 200 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Whilst the lamb is in the oven, prepare the vegetables. Oil a large baking tray with some olive oil and chop into quarters 4 medium-sized onions. I've used 2 red and 2 white onions for the contrast in colour. Put the vegetables straight into the baking tray as you prepare them. Dice the potatoes to about the same size as the onions. Baby potatoes work particularly well as they tend to keep their shape better, but you can use whatever you have handy. Next, cut in half lengthwise and, if particularly large, in quarters, 500 grams or about 8 medium-sized carrots. Slice 3 bell peppers of any colour. We're keeping the vegetables quite chunky and giving them a rustic look. Season the vegetables with 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of salt and chili flakes and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, drizzle on some olive oil. Give the vegetables a gentle mix and place in the oven to cook for about 1.5 hours, covering with foil for the last half an hour of cooking. Meanwhile, after 45 minutes, cover the lamb with foil and reduce the oven to gas mark 5 or 190 degrees Celsius and cook for a further 1.5 hours. Check and give the vegetables a mix ever so often to ensure they cook evenly and seasoning is well distributed. Cover with foil once they are almost ready. Cooking times will vary according to your oven. Check regularly and once they are cooked through, remove from the oven. Both the veg and lamb are now ready. Allow the lamb to rest for half an hour before serving. This is well done lamb. If you prefer meat rare, you can take it out sooner. I like to pre-slice the meat into a serving dish, but you can carve it at the table when serving, depending on your preference. Finally, to make the gravy, drain the juices from the baking tray into a jug. Melt 25 grams of butter in a small pan. When the butter has melted, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of flour, depending on the amount of juice using and how thick you want the gravy. When the flour is absorbed and the butter slightly thickened, add the drained juice. You may like to drain it again before adding it to the pan. Stir on medium heat until the gravy is formed, which should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Once thickened into a gravy consistency, pour over the meat, either as I have done or by bringing it to the table when serving. Auf Wiedersehen, enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes from Hülya's Turkish Kitchen.